beating Indiana. I mean, was there any like kind of wanting to make an assertion that hey, this is?
I mean, as I said, we just look at it as another big game for us. Go into it, prepare as hard as we can. Of course, we're always looking to make statements, and I think we made a good one today.
Were you seeing a lot of favorable matchups today, Joey? Is that one of the reasons you were effective? Why do you think you were so effective today?
You mean pass rushing?
Yeah.
I think I got a good amount of one-on-ones, which is obviously what I'm looking for. But I think it was a whole team effort. Can't single anybody out.
Coach Meyer said it's usually like a coin flip whether a team comes out ready for a noon game. Did you see anything either like last night or this morning that kind of showed that y'all were ready for this game?
Before the game, just the look on everybody's faces and the energy, I felt it. I felt it in the locker room, and I looked at Mike and I was like, "Man, we're going to come out fast," and we did. We just need to stay that way.